make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old.
Alright, y'all, we got our bills here. It's actually less than what they said. It's actually only 34,000 pounds instead of 44 or 43. 34,000. Buddy, I will take that. I will take 34,000 any day. Let's see if we need to strap anything. Let's see what we got here, y'all. Axles. Woo-wee. All right. See, and they actually strapped them down right there. They put some straps there. They put some straps here. Yeah, I don't think these are going anywhere, to be honest. Hey, but he's got some straps. These suckers are in here. So yeah, I think we're good. Shoot. All right, y'all. But you know what? I will go ahead and get a strap just in case, y'all. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Dun, doo-dah, doo-dah. Because I have a whole bunch of straps right up in here, y'all. Now let's go with this one here. We'll use the older ones first. Come on. Y'all see I got so much stuff up in here? Electrical, straps, lights, all kinds of stuff. You know what I'm saying? Because sometimes you just have to, just to make sure, if you know what I mean. So, because I know one of my subscribers here, y'all said that even in box trucks, you're supposed to put straps at the back of it in box trucks. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Camptown ladies sing that song, doo-dah, doo-dah. We're gonna put that one there. Seriously? Yes, seriously. There we go. Then we'll put this bad boy down here towards the bottom. Doo-dah, doo-dah. You know. Just to help hold it, people. Just to make sure she ain't a-going nowhere. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Do 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 do. Do da do da. All right, we got that there. We got that there. Okay. Just in case they want to go running and flying around, y'all. There we go. We have axles. And hopefully I can get out of here, y'all. And hopefully I can get to where I need to be to shut down tonight. Because from what I see, it is going to be tight on my time. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Well, let's see. I could probably get forward a little bit more, but I ain't gonna worry about it, y'all. We'll let it sit right there. We'll let it ride, because I'm like 10,000 on my tractor. And with the thingy, yeah, you know, the thing.
We hold these truths to be self-evident. All men and women created by you know the thing.
With it being 34,000 at 17,000 on each end, so 10, I'm at 26 and a half. So hey, that's right there halfway. So I think I'm good. Let's see, we got 19 pages scanned in on the bill of lading, my Walmart bill of lading. $19 pages. Whew. That's a lot of paperwork to scan in. Know what I'm saying? So, let me double check this here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 pages. That's it, y'all. 19 pages. It's there. That is all the pages that we needed scanned in. It actually got them all. My other printer was acting up, which is why I had to get me a new printer. And this thing is just vibrating galore and driving me nuts, so I need to put something on it to help quiet it down. You know what I'm saying? Because I can't be listening to that mess all freaking day while I drive. Whew, Lord. There we go. Let's something on it to hold some weight. There. All right. Grab this. All right. Now do the nasty. We're gonna put this in the thing and then we're gonna roll on, y'all. See ya.
Holding my head again, making my way through crowded thoughts. Sometimes it's hard to get out of it. Broke my heart in the dark. I was just trying to feel something, falling asleep to the sound of it. Always used to lay you clean up the messes, down on my knees, thought I couldn't stand up on my own. Turns out sometimes you're stronger alone. Bringing out the fight, yeah, bring on all the lightning. Cause I'm looking for a hero, look inside the mirror. I found one, oh, carry the hurt when it gets too hard. Pick it up, dust it off. When I fall down 11, I get up 12. Don't need nobody else. Yeah, I can save myself. Got burned, but I learned. Our scars make us who we are. Now I'm 10 feet tall over my demons. Remind me no one's got me like myself. Yeah, I love me without any help. I'm the best thing to believe in. So I'm bringing out the fight, yeah, bring on all the lightning. Cause I'm looking for a hero, look inside the mirror. I found one, oh, carry the hurt when it gets too hard. Pick it up, dust it off. When I fall down 11, I get up 12. Don't need nobody else. Yeah, I can save myself. Oh, 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 but I got a million reasons why I won't. 'Cause this heavy